Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber.
Today we'll explain how to create and edit masks.
Let's begin. Let's start.
After Effects has a function called masks. This is often confused with the shape layer. The mask itself is not a layer, but a mask for the layer. By creating a mask on the layer, you can combine it with other layers. In addition, you can apply effects to parts of the layer by using a mask. You can also use the pen tool to create a mask with a different shape from a rectangle or circle. We will use different pen tools to create masks with different shapes. First, we will create a regular mask, such as a rectangle or circle. This is the timeline panel. Place the layer to which the mask applies and the layer to which the mask becomes the background. This time, we will use a video of winter roads as a layer to apply masks. A solid layer is arranged for the background. In the timeline panel, click to select the layer to apply the mask to. Please note that if you don't select a layer, you'll create a shape layer. In the Tool panel, Rectangle tool is displayed by default. Press and hold the Rectangle tool icon to display the Square tool, Oval tool, Polygon tool, and Star tool. This time, I will use the Rectangle tool. Drag the Rectangle tool in the Composition panel to create a mask like that. In this way, you can see that only the range of the mask is shown, and the range outside the mask is made transparent and shown by the solid layer. Let's check the timeline panel. You can see that the mask properties have been added to the layer where the mask was created. Let's check the invert of the mask properties. If you check invert, the display in the composition panel will look like this. On the contrary, you can see that the mask range is made transparent and that it shows the outside of the mask range. Next, I will create a mask with free shape. Similar to making a regular mask, place two layers, the background layer and the layer to which the mask is applied, and select the layer on which you want to create the mask. Then, select the pen tool here. I would like to create a mask surrounding the bus like that. Click one after another point along the outline of the bus. By clicking repeatedly, a line called a path will be created that connects points. If you want the path to be curved, click and drag the pen tool. Then, the handle of the straight line is displayed like that. The interpolation between points has changed from linear to Bezier. This is called the Bezier curve, and you can change the curve by moving the handle. Lastly, please overlap the points. The background layer that you placed below appears outside the mask range. It's the same as when I made a regular mask. If you check the invert of the mask created in the timeline panel, the mask range will become transparent. From here on, I will edit the path of the mask I created. Let's go to edit this oval mask. From Tool panel, select Selection tool. With the mask layer selected, click the point you want to edit the mask. When points appear in the mask, drag the points. If you want to change the curve of the Bezier curve, press and hold the pen tool in the Tools panel and select the Convert Vertex tool. Click a point in the mask. Thus, the apex of the path was changed to an acute curve. When you move the handle from the apex of the point to the left-right, you can change the curve freely. This concludes my explanation on how to create and edit masks.
How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.